I got a new camera.
Now let's say you got it. Say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you got it. Say what's your price?
Morning guys, I hope you guys are all doing well. I don't have it in me to do the intro right now because I'm really tired, but hope you guys stay subscribed, join the family. Yeah, today we are going to be doing a spend the day with me. I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys in a while since Mother's Day, which was quite a while ago. I just woke up maybe like an hour ago ish. Yeah, like an hour ago. My sister and I are going to run an errand quickly just before the malls and stuff get really full. So we're gonna go run and do that. I have to quickly do a little Captain Splash. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically freshening up before I go. Brush my teeth, you know, wipe down everything, put on some deodorant so I don't freak anybody else at the mall. And I'm gonna come back and shower and then get ready to get on with my day. Yeah, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the video. There's a lot of new stuff that I want to show you guys, and yeah, I feel like you guys always come with me some more. I promise I do not go to the mall this often, just that every single time I'm vlogging I end up having to go to the mall. But yeah, let's go. Alrighty guys, so we just got done at the mall. I got a few things from Emma Per Se. The original reason why I wanted to come here was to exchange some stuff that I got from I shopped on Cotton On online. Then I realized, see, there's actually no factory here, so, and the stuff I got was from factory, not from Cotton On. So yeah, that was cancelled, but I ended up getting some stuff that I needed, like some socks. I needed some stuff to film with. And then we also had to go to Woolworths to get some food for the house. So I'm with Pilani, as you guys saw, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys when you get back to the cribbo. Okay guys, I've been back from the shops for a really long time. but as soon as I just got back and I was getting ready to come shower, Snicks FaceTimed me and we literally were on the phone for an hour 25 minutes. If I could tell you the time right now, you guys would be shocked. But anyways, I'm still gonna shower now because I need to do this before I get into the rest of my day. Is all oiled up. I'm going to go and get ready to take on the rest of the day, and then I am also going to go make myself something to eat finally, so let's go eat. Okay guys, we are in the kitchen. I'm wearing my PJs just because this is not going to be a heavily like content focused day, so I'm just gonna wear something comfortable. So right now I'm gonna have what I normally have for breakfast / lunch. I do intermittent fast pretty much every single day. So normally I will have scrambled egg with spinach and cheese, with a slice of bread if I'm really hungry that day, or without if it's just a normal day, and probably some avo if we have. But first things first, actually I want to make myself some tea, so kettle on and let's go.
Aquela do som, por favor.
Paleta na cama, outra jogada na sala. Uma paleta na cama, outra jogada na sala. Quando eu olhei lá pra fora, tinha uma bela pousada. Uma bela rural, entendeu? Dar uma cidade. Paleta na cama, outra jogada na sala. Uma paleta na cama, outra jogada na sala. Quando eu olhei lá pra fora, tinha uma bela pousada. Uma bela rural, entendeu? Dar uma cidade. Uma paleta na cama. se tu. Calma, vizinha, seu feijão queimou. Fechei a janela, vem se tu. Calma, vizinha, seu feijão queimou.
Okay guys, I'm about to dig into my lunch slash breakfast. It's literally so late to be considered any of the above, but we move. So I'm just gonna put on a YouTube video and then I'm going to yeah, eat, and then afterwards I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys because I want to show you guys all the things that I have gotten in since we last spoke, and I got so many new things. I'm just looking for a YouTube video to watch. I think I'm gonna watch Nail's new video she just uploaded. So I'm gonna go watch Nail's video while I eat. Okay, bye.
Janela, vem se tu. Calma, vizinha, seu feijão queimou. Fechei a janela, vem se tu. Calma, vizinha, seu feijão queimou. Fechei a janela, vem se tu. Calma, vizinha, seu feijão queimou. Fechei a janela, vem se tu. Calma, vizinha, seu feijão queimou. Fechei a janela, vem se tu.
Hey guys, it is haul time. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is the stuff that I got from Mr. Price and just came today. So what I got from Mr. Price, first things first, I needed socks because all of my socks are in Joburg. But the thing that I forgot, I don't know what made me forget this, is the fact that Mr. Price does not have the best secret socks. These secret socks are going to suck, but it's okay because Sislapa. The thing is, Pick and Pay Clothing was on the other side of the mall, so I was just like, I do have more secret socks in Joburg, which hopefully I'll be able to go to Joburg very soon because we are said to go to level 3 on the 1st of June, and apparently they can be travel for business, so hopefully I can go home, not home but to Joburg. Then I ended up getting these 2 pack of fluffy socks just because I wanted some fluffy socks. It's really cold guys. Cape Town is so cold. Cape Town winter is freezing. If you know, you know. These are mostly to sleep in, just for around the house, everything essentially, because I can't really leave. I ended up getting myself some accessories. These accessories are for when I'm filming my different videos and content here at home. Obviously they're going to be for general use as well, but I ended up getting these. I got myself this Alice band. It's really cute, this baby pink color, and all of these Alice bands, by the way, are 40 rand. And then I got this one, which is nice, like emerald color, and then it has these like diamante situations on them, also 40 rand. And then like lastly I got this black one. It has these like mini pearls, also diamantes. It's braided as well. It's pretty much the same thing as that one. From this came, first things first, I got this headband that I'm wearing. I got this mostly because I just needed something for one when I didn't want to show my busted edges on camera like now, and then also for when I'm filming my videos, generally my makeup videos, to protect my wig and the makeup from being one. The thing that I also got from Discam is this Basics Beauty Cosmetics brush cleaning mat. I do have a cleaning mat, but my cleaning mat is in Johannesburg, so I just wanted to buy this mini one for now, because I do need to clean my brushes today, and I'm going to take you guys to clean my brushes with me. So I decided to get this just to make the process easier. It was only 50 rand, so I was like, if not, why not? And lastly, I'm going to show you guys a purchase that I got. I think it was last week, and it's like my favorite purchase ever. I got a new camera. I've been wanting to get a new camera for the longest time because my camera, the quality is okay, but I've been wanting to upgrade the quality of my videos in general. Like my videos just weren't making me happy when I was watching them. But obviously equipment is expensive, so I had to save up a bit, and then I was just like redirecting my funds for the year, because obviously I planned for some things that aren't going to happen this year, another thing, so I was able to buy myself a new camera. This is the camera that I got. It is the Canon 250D, and it came with an 18 to 55 millimeter kit lens. Really happy about this purchase. I ended up getting the SD card as well. I bought this from Outdoor Photo, and it came to my place, I want to say, in like 2 to 3 days, so I was really happy about that. It was very quick. They sent it through courier guy, and it was like really efficient. I loved everything about it. I really like this camera because it's like a very good quality DSLR, but it is still very small and compact. I'm probably going to do some vlogs with this camera as well, just because I can, because it's quite small. It's not like too much to carry it, and like and obviously I want the quality of everything to be great, but I do want to buy myself a new vlogging camera. I'm kind of deciding between the M50 and the G7X Mark II. I'm probably not going to get the Mark III, just because with reviews I haven't seen people say there's like a huge difference between the 2 and the 3. So yeah, I'm not going to buy it soon though, because I still do want to save up for it. I don't want to like buy a whole bunch of new expensive stuff now, because the future is a little bit uncertain, so I gotta save and cover my expenses. To go with my camera, I ended up getting myself the 50 millimeter lens. I got this from takealot.com. This is how it looks. This is basically just gonna help me get that blurred background effect when I'm making my beauty videos, and it's just gonna make everything look stunning. I basically decided to get this because I do a lot of beauty content, and specifically more so for my Instagram. Like, I need my beauty content to look beautiful. The focus, the autofocus on here is, this is kind of like my starter pack before I'm able to afford like my Canon 5D Mark IV, you know, before I'm able to get my Sigma lenses. I'm kind of just starting off and just leveling up, upgrading level 1, and then I'll go to level, you know what I'm saying, like doing things step by step. I'm very happy with the quality that it's giving me so far. Then, because I know that the 50 millimeter lens makes quite a bit of noise when it is autofocusing, it's like quite loud, so I decided to get myself this. Excuse the fact that it's looking very ghetto right now because I literally took it out of the box and I was playing around with it just to see the sound and stuff like that. So this is the Boya mic. It is a lapel mic, so I'm going to insert it into the mic input on my camera, and then I'll be able to use this as a speaker so you guys can hear me nice and clearly when I'm speaking in my video, so that you guys can't hear that loud grr, 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 grr of the lens. I haven't actually done a talking video with the 50mm lens before, or rather tested it out talking and stuff like that. I'm probably going to do that throughout this week because I do want to start making content with the new camera from like the beginning of next month. I'm really excited to give you guys new and fun and good quality content that I'm happy with in terms of the quality. So yeah, that's what I've gotten in the past week or so. I don't think that I have missed anything else. If I buy other things, it's like small things like just masks or toiletries and stuff like that. But I did buy things from Cotton On. It was like literally so long ago. It was probably like beginning of May, and I haven't done a haul for them yet. I'm trying to figure out when I'm going to post everything because I have quite a bit of content to post, and it's quite late in the week already. It's already Wednesday, so I don't really know if everything's going to go up this week, but I am going to film that haul for you guys soon. Okay guys, I can't believe I forgot to show you this, but I also got new press-on nails. I know the last ones weren't press-on nails. They were more so like just acrylic stick-ons, but these are press-ons. I did end up putting some glue on some of them, most of them to be honest, because about 10 seconds after I put these on, the nails were falling off and it was really, really ghetto. So I ended up using the Kiss nail glue. These are also Kiss press-ons. They're quite cute.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Call me a river, give you a get cool.
Okay guys, we are now at brush washing time. I just finished with the dishes. What I went to go get right now is just hot water, and then I also put some bleach in it. So that's where you guys will see me dipping the brushes in first, and then you'll see me washing it with my new little mat and Sunlight dishwashing soap, and we will end off by conditioning it with some of my conditioner, just regular ass conditioner. So I just wanted to explain that before we go ahead and do it. I'm really, really tired, but I'm doing it for the vlog.
Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat down her walls. Hop in the fall. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me competition. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. All set. All set. All set. All set. All set. All set.
One eternity later.
This
it's a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick do voodoo. Magic. Courtside with a band.
Okay guys, I finally finished doing the brushes. It took me forever, but it's all good. As you guys can see right now, it's fully nighttime, but I'm just gonna go chill for a bit before I get down to editing. I have so much to edit. I get excited to do everything, but I feel like the hours just run away from me. But anyways, yeah, I really do need to chill for a bit. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs. Let's actually go check what Peter's doing. She's making dinner. Okay guys, we're in the kitchen. Let's see what's cooking.
Good evening and welcome to Peter's Kitchen. Starting us.
Let's
Let's put on some lighting.
Okay,
Don't touch.
Peter, this orange lighting is
Don't touch my
ghetto.
stuff. Okay. So we have some whole wheat Chinese noodles. Do we or do we not?
Yes, okay, go to the next thing. You're taking too long.
And
here we have
meat that's
a
cooking.
chicken stir fry.
I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the oozing.
Alrighty guys, so it's finally the end of the day. We have just finished eating, watching all our shows. Gomorrah is back, which obviously guys, I'm the most excited about that. I've missed that show so much. I'm gonna finish editing. I'm probably gonna edit this video first, and then I'm going to end up finishing off editing some of my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to like, comment. Please, let's get to 1,500 likes. Once again, 1.5k likes. I feel like we can do it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
I'm back, so my money making my back. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That cookie blunt in the ashtray.